This is a 1983 Mastercraft. Obviously we put on tower, a couple of surf tabs that I made pretty quickly, pretty easy. Went to Home Depot, got a $20 sheet of 3/4 inch plywood, cut out 12 inches long by 12 inches high by 24 inches long, sanded it down, put on some Thompson's water seal, and then hooked up the brackets as such. Just got some hinges, brackets, aluminum tubing, more brackets. Some of the screws are stainless steel or galvanized. Galvanized was a little cheaper. And that's what you got. I'm about to take it out for a test drive, so I'll let you know how it works out.